Chat, am I the only person that walks at a normal pace in the hallways? Like, I be walking to class, right? And then I get stuck behind a bunch of girls taking their sweet old time walking to class? Like, some of us have places to be. And then I can't even get around them, they take up the whole freaking hallway, bro. And then there are the guys who run to class. And somehow they don't even get in trouble? Like, bro, walk fastly. There is no need to run that fast and there is no reason to walk that slowly. It genuinely pisses me off so bad. Anyways, by chat,